Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Technology Talks, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're setting our sights on the highly anticipated GoPro Hero 13 Black. This upcoming action camera is stirring up quite a buzz, and we're here to give you a comprehensive preview of what to expect. From the latest leaks to confirmed features, we'll cover everything you need to know about this revolutionary device that's poised to redefine adventure photography and videography. GoPro has long been at the forefront of the action camera industry, renowned for its groundbreaking technology and relentless innovation. The Hero series, in particular, has become synonymous with high performance and rugged durability. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is set to push the boundaries of image quality with significant upgrades. Rumors suggest it will feature a larger sensor and cutting-edge image processing technology. This combination is expected to deliver exceptionally sharp and detailed footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or high-speed action scenes, the Hero 13 Black promises to enhance every frame with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. Extended recording times are crucial for capturing every moment of your adventures, and the Hero 13 Black is expected to meet this demand with an upgraded battery. Whether through a larger battery or enhanced power management, users can anticipate longer shooting sessions without the constant worry of battery depletion. This upgrade is especially valuable for those long days of capturing nonstop action. Whether you're exploring underwater depths or scaling high altitudes, the Hero 13 Black is designed to endure extreme conditions and rough handling. It's the perfect companion for any adventure, from underwater exploration to mountain expeditions. While official pricing and release dates for the Hero 13 Black are yet to be confirmed, it is expected to be priced higher than its predecessor, reflecting the new and enhanced features. On the other hand, the Hero 13 Mini is likely to be more budget-friendly, providing an affordable alternative for those seeking a high-performance action camera without breaking the bank. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is set to make a significant impact in the world of action cameras, offering improved image quality, advanced stabilization, and a suite of other exciting features. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a vlogger, or simply someone looking to capture unforgettable moments, the Hero 13 Black promises to deliver an exceptional experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Talks and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content.